Oh, hi. Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel for yet another video. And I know I always recreate videos, like always recreate makeup looks, and I never show it to you guys how I do it. So this time I was like, Marcy, you need to show them how to do it. So today I did this very subtle, not actually subtle, but like kind of like a glamorous bronzy glowy makeup look with like bold red lips, and I used the Smashbox Boss lipstick. And yeah, so I recreated Shay Michelle's makeup look, and like she's just like gorgeous, but like I tried to recreate this makeup look for her, and I'll post a photo like right here so you guys can see which look I recreated. And yeah, so this is a very nice bronze with a red lip. Like, you know, it's just so daring to go bronze with a red lip, because like, you know, generally go red lips with a very light eyes, but like, you know, it's always like makeup is just like about taking risks. So yeah, so if you want to know how to get this makeup look, I think I just forgot to apply a little bit of those highlight like right here. I love to put my highlighters, like especially when my elbows, like when my arms are showing, I love to do that. So yeah, so if you want to know how to get this makeup look, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or query, and I'll have all my social media links in the description box below so you guys can come and say hi. And yes, so before further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna first sanitize my hands first, and then I'm gonna move on to my face. So I'm using my Glam liquid strobing highlighter, and this is liquid formula, so I'm placing it on the high points of my face where I feel that I needed a liquid glow. So on the cheekbones, bridge of my nose, and also just above the eyebrows where I saw the highlighter which Shay had. And then we're just gonna blend it up with my fingers very seamlessly, and it's a liquid formula, so it blends in very quickly. And then I'm gonna move on to is my foundation. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just gonna wet my sponge, and I'm just gonna start dabbing it up on my face. However, I didn't really like the way that it looks, so I went again with more foundation and I just buffed it out with a brush. So that's the kind of look I want. And then I've also applied it a little bit on my ears, and then I'm going to move on to is my concealer. So I only applied a little bit of a concealer just to conceal underneath my eyes, not a lot, like just on places where I just needed to conceal it a little bit. And yeah, then I'm going to do that same on the other eye, and then I'm just gonna powder both of my eyes. And next I'm gonna move on to is with my Chisel It my Glam contour blush and highlight kit. So I'm just gonna take the bronzer, the blush, the contour powder, and I'm just gonna be placing it up where I needed a little bit of a contour. So I'm not going heavy with the contour, but just to little bit bronze it up my face and usual places, just like in a C motion on both of my cheekbones. Then I'm just gonna take the blush, and it has a really light texture, so she did not have a lot of blush, so I'm just gonna be applying a little bit of a blush just to give a little bit of a color to my face. And yeah, then I'm gonna just fill my eyebrows very quickly, and I'm just gonna fill my brows. She had a very thin brows, not a thick brows, so I'm just gonna be filling it up how she had it. So once I'm done with that, I am going to take a little bit of a small very precise angular brush, and I'm just going to take a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be placing it up on my brows, and just to define a little bit. And then I'm going to move on to is my Makeup Revolution Resurrection palette, and this is in the shade Resurrection 3 palette. So I'm just going to take these two dark brown color, and I don't know how the camera is going to show, but I'm just going to be placing it up on my crease. She did not have a lot of precision in her eyeshadows, so I'm not trying to be very precise with the eyeshadow. She had a very like winged out kind of a like brown eye. So then I'm just going to take this yellow tone color, I'm just going to be placing it up right above the crease color where I applied it. doing same with the other eye. And then I'm just gonna take this gold bronzy color and I'm just gonna be applying it on my lid. And again, not to be very precise because she did not had a lot of precision in her eyeshadows. It was just like a very quick and easy kind of a makeup look, so I'm just gonna do that same. And then I'm just gonna go again with my crease color. I'm just gonna be blending it up again on both of my eyes, and then I'm just gonna highlight underneath my brow bone. She had a lot of highlighters, so I'm just gonna be highlighting underneath my brow bone. And then I'm just gonna take my highlighter, so I'm using my My Glam highlighter, and I'm just gonna be placing it up in a V shape. So she had a lot of highlighters, so like she was glowing, so I'm just trying to recreate that same glow effect. So on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose, unusual places where I apply a lot of highlighters. So also in the inner corner she had a lot of highlighters, so I just applied it with my ring finger on in the inner corners of my eyes, also on the tip of my nose. And yeah, then I'm just gonna take my lipstick. This is a lip crayon by Lakme, and this is in the shade red. So I'm just gonna line it up and I'm just gonna be filling it up with a very precise lip brush. I'm using my Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. So I'm just gonna be filling my lips with it. This is a gorgeous red color. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes very quickly, and not to be very precise, I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply my Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express mascara, because I'm be applying a false lashes, so I'm not using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Volume Express mascara. So once I've applied my lashes, and I'm just gonna be again just contouring a little bit more because I felt that I needed a little bit more contour. So I'm just gonna contour a little bit like on the sides of my nose and also on my underneath my cheekbones. And yeah, so I'm just gonna be highlighting a little bit more because, like, you know, that's the look I was going for. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my my sponge again. I'm just gonna be blending everything up, and this is up for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay confident. Bye.